Hi, I'm Ben for Zenna Home. Thank you for purchasing a Zenna Home tension pole shower caddy. Today, I'm going to show you how to install your new caddy. This video covers all spring pole caddies. Shelf style and finish will vary. First, I will show you all the parts in this product. One straight tube, two long tapered tubes, one short tapered tube, one 1/2 inch diameter tube, 3 shallow shelves, one deep shelf, 2 T-caps, one end cap with hole, one large end cap, 4 wedges, 3 tape strips. Measure the distance between the tub ledge or the shower stall floor to the ceiling to the nearest inch mark. This shower has an 80-inch opening, so I will be using the straight tube, the 2 long tapered tubes, and the 1/2 inch tube. The straight tube and 1/2 inch tube are used in every installation. The number of tapered tubes change depending on the measurement. While this item has been designed to work in typical bathrooms with openings up to 8 feet 1 inch, some non-standard sizes may require you to cut one of the tubes to ensure a proper fit. Consult the chart in the instructions to determine if this is necessary and how much to cut. Next, place the wedges and shelves on the poles. Then assemble the pole by placing the straight tube with spring inside on the top. Add the end cap to the bottom end of the pole and place the tape strips around the seams to protect against moisture. Slide the plastic end cap with hole onto the 1/2 inch tube before placing the T-caps on each end of that tube. Insert the 1/2 inch tube into the straight tube and slide the end cap with hole onto the straight tube. Holding the pole at the bottom, lift the entire unit into position. Compress the top of the pole against the ceiling at the final location and move the bottom end into position. If you have any issues or questions, our customer care representatives are here to help.